Hi all. Uh, that this fire, this woodbury fire, is spreading. They're saying it's well, I forgot. I got to read it. They're saying it's 113,000 acres right now. They say it's 25% contained, but it keeps growing. I can't figure out how they figure that, but anyway. They're pretty concerned about the southwest wind that's supposed to be getting stronger today. It's driving the fire northwest. Right now, all of Theodore Roosevelt Lake is closed. They're not allowing anyone in there, and both roads on both sides of the lake are closed. You can't get anywhere near it. They're under a mandatory evacuation for the little community of Roosevelt. They're telling people to just, get your medicines and things that you're going to be needing immediately, and you're going to have to leave the rest. They're evacuating them down to the high school over in Miami, Arizona. So it's, I think the community was like 7,000 or 8,000 people, something like that. Everybody's not, they're not trying to. Oops. Hang on. Hello, test one. Lost my microphone. They're saying that not every one of those people are at the high school, but a big part of the community is. People up there, they know somebody, they'll go to friends or something, go to the valley or whatever. But they're concerned that if the fire jumps Arizona Highway 88, that'll be a really bad thing. Right now it's almost there. Everything north of that road is pretty mountainous. It'll be hard to get to. There's a pretty big mountain range that it's got to go up over the top, but it's working its way up there right now. So did I say that it's the largest fire in the country right now? That's what they're saying. There's 921 people, firefighters that are working 24 hours a day. Oh, it's a mess. It really is. And they keep saying, oh, well, that they're going to, should be fully contained by the 1st of July. But if it keeps growing like it is, yeah, I'm not a firefighter, I don't know. So, but that's, if they can get it out by then, that'll be good. As far as I'm concerned, I'm not going to be able to get to the mountains unless I go clear down to the valley and back up that way. Possibly up to Flagstaff and then back down. We'll see how it goes. Either that or go up through the Salt River Canyon. That's a nasty old road up through there, boy. It's 2-lane and 8 or 9% down and back up again, and it's a pretty hard road to be on. So we'll have to see. But at any rate, I'm still going to try to get up there, no matter which way I got to go. So they're saying that it was unknown. They don't know how it started. First they were saying it was human caused, and now it's been changed to unknown. So I don't know. Another place says it's under investigation. Is human caused under investigation. So we don't know. We don't know what's going on with it. So, but it's a mess. The whole area up there is closed. We're starting to get a lot of smoke down here in Miami Roosevelt area, or Miami Globe, Arizona area. Everybody's woke up with runny noses and runny eyes and all that this morning. There's been a run of people having respiratory problems, and everything's just really hazy right now. The last 2 or 3 days The smoke was really thick, you know, up towards the north in the mountains there, but it's pretty much dissipated. But now, you know, this whole area is all covered in smoke, hazy smoke, and it smells really bad. So, you know, we're all got our fingers crossed, and you know, we don't want it to go south. That's for sure. So I guess that's it. I can't think of anything else. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.